In this video, we'll look at how to extract pages from a PDF that contain matching text with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. It's often necessary to extract pages from a PDF that contain specific words or text patterns. Common items would be names, dates, addresses, and social security or other identification numbers. In this tutorial, we'll extract all pages containing the text John Doe from one PDF document and group them into a separate PDF file. This sample document contains multiple invoices, and 3 of them contain this name. The required pages in the input document can be anywhere, in no continuous order. The plugin will search page text and comments, as well as annotations created with the typewriter or text box tools. All pages containing matching text will be added to the output file. Let's take a look at how to open this tool. With the necessary documents open in Acrobat, select Plugins, then the Split Documents options. Ensure that the Use Manually Defined Page Ranges option is checked. Now click Add Output Document. In this window, enter the necessary search text within double or single quotes in the Enter Pages box, then click OK. The new entry will be added with the default file name Document1. Double-click on it to edit the name. Select Use Custom File Name and type the desired name into the box. Once this is done, click OK. Click Browse to select an output folder for the file. If necessary, edit the output naming options before clicking OK. Click OK again to confirm. The results window will then show. Click Open Output Folder to inspect these results. All pages containing the specified text have been extracted and saved into a single PDF. Visit Evermap.com for further product resources.